Okay, welcome to Lesson 3. This is Microsoft Office PowerPoint tutorials. This is a 2010 version that I'm using here. We're going to go a little bit more on the Insert tab. Insert tab is up here on your ribbon, right next to your Home tab. From your Insert tab, we can do word art, insert shapes, and we've already went over shapes, so we're going to go on word art. You can use either one in word art. You can use your text box or this big A here, which has already got word art applied. And here I've got some words already done. Let me put them in a regular text. And we can change just a regular text box. That's what I've done here. You can take all of the effects that you put on there off. Like I'm going to take everything off that I put on it. Glow. We're going to take a bevel off. Anything that I've done to it is going to be right in here. Okay. Also, I'm going to show you, once you highlight your text, you can fill it with anything, just like you can a shape. Go into text fill. You can put any of these things in there. A texture, I mean, that's pretty common. Let me show you what a texture looks like. Let me insert, I'm going to make this a little bigger, where we can see it. Now put the pattern in the words. Also, you can put a picture in the words, and we're going to go over that. Right here under Drawing Tools, once you have your text highlighted, click on the Format. Right in here is your little arrow right there. If you want to change the way that your text is filled, go right here. Here's your patterns, and we just did the patterns. And if you want a picture, you can go right here, File, find a picture on your system, and we can put that picture inside there. Just anything. I used just a regular background type thing most of the time. And then you put the picture in there. Let me close that so you can see that the picture is in there. And then I just lost my place already. Okay, here it is. And you can see that the picture now is in there. Highlight this, and we're going to go over some more things we can do. Once you highlight it, click on the Format. Text effects, you can just go here. You can put a shadow. We're going to put a shadow on there just so we can see it. Here's the shadow on our words. Click, highlight, text box. Let's take the shadow back off. And we can add a reflection. I don't know, there you go. You can kind of see a preview of what that would look like. Once you just go over there, you can see it. You can click it when you got the right one that you want. A glow. Here's an example of glow. And I'll just keep going a little bigger with that until you can see. Okay. Bevel. There's some precepts here. I would go on down to 3D options so you can change those, make it look more right. This one right here, 3D rotation. That's where you can change your words where they kind of look. There they go. Now you can kind of see that bevel we just put on there too. Okay, there. Just go over them until you find the one you like, and then you can click on that. Transform. I'm just going to go over that real quick. Any of these, just click on them. When you see the one you want, then click on it, and you've got it selected. Okay, we're going to go on to show you one that I've already got done here. This one here, I put a picture in the Word, and I used a bold font. You want to use a bold font on these. Like I used Arial Black, you want to use a bold. You want to make it kind of wide where you can see. Another thing you might do is, let's see, I didn't want to do the aligned text. I'll go back to that. That's just some other things, weird things, but that's not what I was looking. You can make your text looser, and it'll show your picture better. But I'll go back to that. First, we're going to go to the Design tab. The Design tab, this is where we're going to have some fun. We can add our backgrounds. On the Design tab, you want to change your background. Go to Design. Clear over here on the other side of the screen. There's a little arrow here. Click on that arrow. And right here, you can change your background to a texture. As you can see, it has been changed. Anyway, we're going to stop right there, and we'll go to some preset themes, and we'll have some fun on the next tutorial. And thank you for listening to me.